Welcome to PV Robotics. Dangerous climate change has already begun. The last time we were at this carbon level, most of Florida was underwater. We must drop carbon emissions fast. Clean energy effort is already underway. DOE predicted that lowering solar PV costs, as we do, will bring very fast PV growth. Converting to PV volume to electrify everything from EVs to industry will require a vast amount of solar PV. NREL specifically identified floating PV as a huge opportunity. But current floating PV has significant drawbacks. Our PV Robotics floating array automated assembly system will bring a solar boom at minimum cost. Watch PV Robotics build a floating array on a small lake. Completed array sections advance to the assembly area. Most of the structure will be submerged to avoid waves. The exact float shape will be determined, with many options to analyze. Rows are fed into the water as sections are added. Completed rows move to build the array. This almost 6 megawatt array will take PV Robotics under 3 days. We already created parts of the automated PV assembly and installation system. Solar and utility leaders helped us get started, and our team of experts is ready to go. Please help us bring this real climate action effort to market.